Welcome back. It is 5:45. Time now for weather and traffic together with meteorologist Shea Sorensen. And Shea, you said if you have any errands to run, anything to do, today is the day to do it because it's going to be cold and you're tracking rain and snow tomorrow.
Right, kind of like Christmas Eve where we had a lot of rain kind of move through for, a half hour to an hour. It's pretty much the same thing, but it's going to happen late tonight into early tomorrow morning with some scattered activity the rest of Friday into Saturday. So we do have another winter storm on the way, but for most of the day today, we are going to be dry. So if you have any errands that you need to run or if you need to plan ahead, anything like that, do it today. It is going to be pretty mild and seasonable with temperatures in the low 60s for the warmest places, but that rain will begin to spread from west to east later on today, and it is going to move in tonight for most of us, and it will linger into Saturday morning. We're talking more mountain snow and valley rain, but this system going to be a little bit colder than that first one that moved through on Christmas Eve, so snow levels could drop to as low as 4,000 feet by early Saturday morning. Temperatures will also struggle to warm out of the upper 40s both tomorrow and Saturday, with overnight lows in the teens, 20s, and 30s, so it is going to be pretty cold. Today's highs pretty nice. Low 60s for Metro Tucson, a little bit colder, of course, for the mountains in the mid 30s, upper 50s for Santa Cruz County, mid 50s for Cochise County with overnight lows in the 20s, 30s, and 40s tonight. There's a look at that system. It's impacting the west coast of California, bringing rain to San Diego, LA, high elevation snow as well. And that system is going to slowly creep to our state as the day goes on. So places like western Pima County, Ajo could see some rain as early as about 4 p.m. The rest of us will stay dry with a mix of sun and clouds, sometimes more sun than clouds at times. Now looking at the storm alerts, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect starting at 11 p.m. tonight until 11 a.m. on Saturday, but this is only for elevations above 4,500 feet. So that includes Sierra Vista, places like Sonoita, Douglas as well. So again, we could see some snow in those spots, and that also extends up to the highest peaks too. So more snow. Looking at how much snowfall we could see between 4,000 and 5,000 feet, we could see anywhere from an inch to 4 inches of snow. Between 5,000 feet and 7,000 feet, 3 to 6 inches of snow. And then elevations above 7,000 feet are going to see the most with about 6 to 12 inches. And the highest peaks could see even more than that, up to about 15 inches. So the roads will probably remain closed, unfortunately, for places like Mount Lemmon with more snow on the way. Biggest impacts will be those slick roadways and blowing snow, causing low visibility at times. So dangerous for the high elevations. And just looking at where that light snow could fall, of course, places like Bisbee definitely going to see that snow. Sonoita, Sierra Vista, probably about 1 to 2 inches. And then Oracle, Wilcox, and Douglas will probably see a light dusting to an inch of snow. So just an idea of some of the places that could see that. Looking at your high-res futurecast for the rainfall, by noon today, we're on the dry side, seeing some sunshine too. By 4 o'clock, Ajo potentially seeing some heavy rainfall, and that line continues to push through Arizona throughout the rest of tonight and into early tomorrow morning, with scattered activity into the afternoon as well. Here's an idea of how much rainfall we could pick up, anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch, with isolated spots seeing more than that, like Nogales, a little over an inch possible. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Upper 40s on Friday, and that is it. Only warming into the low 50s Saturday with cold overnight lows, especially Sunday and Monday morning. That is a check of weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at traffic.